I obey the laws of my family, my community, other families, and communities that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am law.
In this video series, we again examine issues and concepts related to creating a culture to develop self-love in the Black community, which those who care about the Black community may examine and consider. Today is our third presentation of the universal law or principle called I am law, one of the guiding principles of peace and unity. In our last talk, we explained that living your social life based on universal law is a scientific reality that cannot be avoided, any more than living according to the laws of gravity, physics, chemistry, and thermodynamics can be avoided. We explained the scientific truth that nothing can manifest on earth without understanding and using universal laws operating as its foundation. For example, to build a building, you must know the laws of physics, gravity, and chemistry, and the principles of mathematics. To build a working airplane or spacecraft, you must know and operate by the laws of gravity, physics, metallurgy, and other laws. To bake a cake, you must know the laws of physical materials, thermodynamics, and time. To start a business, you must know the laws of supply and demand, price elasticity, and marketing. You must also have universal laws to create culture and social organization. The problem is that Black people do not have a culture because the universal laws by which we lived and built our civilizations were taken from us during slavery and colonization. The universal laws needed to create culture and social organization are called the guiding principles of peace and unity.